In this video, I am going to show you how to watch YouTube TV on a Firestick so you can enjoy live and on-demand streaming on your TV. To get started, make sure your Firestick is connected to your TV and powered on. Using your remote, go to the home screen and navigate to the Search section. Type in YouTube TV using the on-screen keyboard. If the YouTube TV app isn't available directly, don't worry, you can still access it through a browser. Open the Amazon Silk browser or download a compatible browser like Firefox from the Amazon App Store. Once the browser is open, go to tv.youtube.com and sign in with your YouTube TV account credentials. After logging in, you'll have full access to YouTube TV's content, including live TV and cloud DVR recordings. For a smoother experience, consider using a dedicated streaming device like a Chromecast or Roku if you encounter any limitations on the Firestick. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to watch YouTube TV on your Firestick, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.